Jailer Shark here for your Phuket weather update live. Well, not live, it's recorded from my garden. And it's the last few days of June and the first week of July, which means that Jurassic Park Rebirth is launched. So what's the weather going to be like for this week? Well, let's find out. Hello! There's dinosaurs in my garden. Why are we talking about dinosaurs? Well, look, this is a trailer for Jurassic World Rebirth. And guess what? Some of the scenes were shot here in Phang Nga Bay. That's right, recognise it? You should do, because it's Phang Nga Bay. Anyway, there you go. Jurassic World Rebirth comes out July 1st in Thailand. Is it around the world? I don't know. Anyway, if you want to go and visit some of these places in Phang Nga Bay, then we can take you there. No problem at all. But before that, let's check out the weather. Right then, get rid of you. Minimise, baby. Right, we're going to start on with this. This is Windy. This is the app that we use all the time. This shows us what the wind's doing. Why do we use Windy? Because the wind shows us if it's going to be bumpy or not bumpy, and it's going to show us if it's going to bring the rain or not. So this is Sunday morning. As you can see, this is Phuket here and Phang Nga here, which was where Jurassic World Rebirth was filmed. That's right. I'm going to be banging on about that a lot, you know. It's good for SEO. Jurassic World Rebirth. Jurassic World Rebirth. I'm not sure saying it. It's more on the old googly box. I have to type it all in. Right, anyway, there's Phang Nga Bay and he's peeping. As you can see, Sunday morning is looking quite nice. Not too much wind. So I should explain. Blue's good. Purple's awesome. Green's windy. And if it's yellow, it's really windy. Let's go to Sunday afternoon. Sunday afternoon looks nice, wind coming from the west, which is normal this time of year, which means the west coast beaches, if you are on holiday in Phuket, please be careful on the west coast beaches because there are rip currents and there's strong tides that can whisk you away. If the red flags are out, please don't swim. Good, thank you. But as you can see, it's very nice. Sunday afternoon, all protected in Phang Nga Bay, and PP looks really cool too. Let's look Monday the 30th, which is the last day of June. Wind picks up. Green, it's going to be quite windy on Monday morning. Phang Nga Bay does look a little bit windy, but still it's always well protected in Phang Nga Bay. If you are looking for a tour for the low season here in Phuket, Phang Nga Bay, Hong Krabi is always a good location to go to because it is well protected. As you can see down here, PP, it's more open, so the waves can create and it gets a bit bumpy down there. Let's look at Monday afternoon. Monday afternoon, the wind drops off, so it looks quite good. So Monday's looking okay. Let's look at Tuesday, the 1st of July. Why are we talking about Tuesday the 1st of July? Because that's when Jurassic World Rebirth comes out. Have I mentioned that enough? Probably not. Anyway, it doesn't look too bad. Yeah, it's a bit green over here. And there's similar lines up here. Doesn't matter. They're closed right now. But as you can see, Phang Nga Bay's in the blue. Maybe a little bit bumpy going down to PP on Tuesday morning. Tuesday afternoon, wind picks up a little bit more. So it is going to be a little bit bumpy going and coming back from PP. Let's look at Wednesday the 2nd. Which is one day after Jurassic World Rebirth came out. I should stop talking about it really, shouldn't I? Wednesday looks not too bad, not too windy in the morning, a little bit windy down in PP, nothing much in Phang Nga Bay, which is nice. Wednesday afternoon gets a little bit breezy. But here you go, see this is yellow, it's yellow isn't it? That's quite windy here, so the west coast is going to be a bit bumpy and horrible. So once again, if you are on holiday in Phuket and you want to go swimming in the sea, I recommend coming to the east coast or go to your hotel pool. It's a lot safer. If you do want to swim in the sea, please only swim where the lifeguards tell you can swim. Okay? Good. Got it. Right. Thursday morning looks very nice actually. Nice in PP, not too windy down in nice in Phang Nga Bay, where that's where Jurassic World Rebirth was filmed, you know. And then it's a little bit bumpy, maybe coming down to PP, but nothing too crazy. Thursday afternoon, okay, it might be a bit more bumpy than PP. Phang Nga Bay looks all right. Friday the 4th of July. Is that a day, isn't it? That's for the old Americans. That's when they have hot dogs and burgers and stuff, don't they? Well done. Is that when Will Smith didn't slap anyone, did he? No, he did that movie yes. Anyway, it's Independence Day. That was it. There's no dinosaurs in Independence Day, but there are dinosaurs in Jurassic World Rebirth. Oh dear. Anyway, Friday looks actually quite nice to go out. Friday afternoon looks really good. So Friday looks like a good day to go out. Saturday the 5th, a little bit of breeze over here, but nothing to worry about. Saturday afternoon, really nice. So Friday, Saturday, let's look at Sunday the 6th. So that's a week today. Yeah, a little bit breezy over here, but nothing. Look at this, it's beautiful. Phang Nga Bay and PP. Sunday afternoon, wowzers. So next weekend looks good. So it does look like it's going to be a bit breezy in the middle of the week, but nothing too shabby. So let's go to this one. So this is acute weather. So this is your bog standard weather forecast, which gives you your little cloud with a little bit of rain. 32 degrees all week, I think, yes. Chance of rain, we've got on Sunday today, 62% chance. Now I say this every single week. 62% chance of rain doesn't mean it's going to rain across the whole of Phuket for 62% of the day. No, it means that there's a 62% chance during the day that it might rain somewhere in Phuket. Now, Phuket has many microclimates, so it could be raining on Putong Beach, but absolutely dry as a bone on Surin Beach. That's right. Monday, 80% chance of rain. So Monday and Tuesday look like it's going to be a bit of rain, and Wednesday to be fair. And it starts to drop off for Thursday, Friday. That shows you what the wind was doing as well. So it's all in the same pattern as what the wind was doing. 33 on Saturday. It's quite humid at the moment this time of year. Very, very humid. Sunday next week, 33 degrees. Chance of thunderstorms, like a thunderstorm. Yeah, it looks pretty standard for this time of year, for the first week of July. Do you know what's happening in the first week of July? What is happening in the first week of July? Oh, that's right. Jurassic World Rebirth comes out. Honestly, gotta stop doing that. And then the final one we're going to look at is a TMD radar, which is absolutely pointless because this is showing what the weather is doing right now on Sunday mornings I record this. And as you can see, there's some rain here in green, and that's going to come across the top end of Phuket. So we might get a bit of rain in about maybe an hour or two, but we'll see. Right, so there you go. That is your Phuket weather forecast for this week. That's right, look. Jurassic World Rebirth comes out July 1st. Hold on. We could just put a little dinosaur up, Miguel. I've got to do something quick. I can't show my bad hair. I'm coming. Oh, that's right. It's coming off. So, thank you for watching our week. It's coming off my hat. It wasn't designed for me. It's good though, isn't it, this? I quite like it. You move your thing and it makes a noise. Scaring my dog, to be fair. Anyway, that's your Phuket weather update for this week, the last few days of June and the first week of July. And remember, Jurassic Park Rebirth, or Jurassic World Jurassic Park, there's so many of them, isn't it? Jurassic World Rebirth comes out on July 1st. And if you want to go and visit the locations where it's filmed, then comment below and we can send you all the details about our Phang Nga Bay adventure. Got it? Good. Rah! Rah, rah, rah. Rah, rah, rah. I'm really scared the dog. Thanks for watching. Bye. Look, Phang Nga Bay.
For the original Jurassic Park.
Oh, that's crabby. Yeah, Phang Nga Bay, crabby. That's in Crabby, I think, somewhere. There's a waterfall, I don't know where. Anyway, thanks for watching. Bye.